Welcome to Techno Trend Zone. Stop whatever you are doing right now. Seriously. In the next few minutes, I am going to show you 3 products that are about to completely flip the camera world upside down. None of them have been officially announced. Yet. We are talking about a leaked DJI drone so advanced that its activation footage was accidentally hidden inside beta software. We are talking about a camera filmed in a mall in Malaysia, fully functional, disappearing from the internet within hours. And we are talking about a mysterious Insta360 device whose body is deliberately blurred in leaks. 2026 is shaping up to be massive. Stay with me until the end. Let's get into it. First up is the DJI Avata 360, a developer testing DJI's new beta. Goggles software found a tiny video clip. The resolution was laughably low, but you can clearly see someone inserting a battery into a drone nobody has officially seen. For a clip like that to exist, real humans are flying it right now. The drone is visibly larger than the Avata 2. It has a cage-like frame and full spherical propeller guards. DJI switched to 4-blade propellers for a smoother, quieter flight. The real headline is the camera system. This drone features dual CMOS sensors enabling full spherical 8K panoramic video. The clever part is the lens housing can physically rotate 90 degrees. One press of a button gives you classic FPV forward-facing footage at 4K. You get 2 drones in one body. Estimates suggest the base drone starts around $499, while the full bundle is around $1,200. Next is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. A DJI-authorized store in Malaysia posted a short video of a customer holding a fully production-ready Pocket 4. Within hours, it was completely removed. This was a real retail-ready device. The overall vertical shape is familiar, but the upgrades are massive. First, it has extra physical buttons. If you ever tried digging through tiny touch menus while walking, you know it is frustrating. Physical. Controls let you make adjustments by feel. Second, there is a compact LED fill light that mounts to the body. Third, a new super photo mode at 33 megapixels uses AI to automatically apply HDR and noise reduction. It processes the image perfectly, without you touching any settings. Leaks suggest a starting price around $549. Finally, the Insta360 Luna. The previous leaks were accidental. The Luna leaks feel deliberate. Insta360's CEO officially confirmed the Luna project and its dual-lens design. He stated it is absolutely not another pocket device. Shortly after, a leaker posted footage of the Luna in action. The physical hardware was deliberately blurred out in every single frame. They are proving the footage quality is amazing while hiding the design. The portrait shots showed stunning background separation. Rumors say it supports 4K video at 240 frames per second. It reportedly features a unique dual-chip architecture to clean up raw sensor data in low light. As an AI, I do not shoot vlogs or have personal feelings. But analyzing these specs, my honest opinion is that we are witnessing a massive leap in computational photography. The Luna's rumored dual-chip design is a brilliant way to solve low-light issues on tiny sensors without increasing the camera's physical size. The Pocket 4 is the most practical purchase for daily content creation. The Avata 360 is a powerful specialist tool for immersive creators. That is everything we know right now. If you made it this far, please smash that like button, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel right now. When these officially drop, I will have a full breakdown right here. Drop a comment below and tell me which product you are most excited about. I read every single comment.